Samsung will continue to work closely with Google in order to release even faster software updates next year in 2023, meaning Galaxy S23 series will get Android 14, based on One UI 6.0 faster than the One UI 5.0 we got on the Galaxy S22 series. This also means that we're going to get faster updates across the board for Samsung mid-range phones as well as Samsung's foldable phones. We all know that Galaxy S23 series will get Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 worldwide. But do you know that Samsung will have a special version of it just for the Galaxy S23 lineup? Yes, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 inside the S23 series will have an overclock CPU and overclock GPU. For the CPU, the speeds are at 3.36 GHz from 3.2 on the normal 8 Gen 2. And surprisingly, same thing for the GPU, which is now at 719 MHz. Compared to 680 on the normal version, there's already been confirmed that the 8 Gen 2 will have the best gaming performance, in fact beating the likes of iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is the current champion. Samsung sells over 50 million flagship phones every year, which is 10 times more than their closest rival. The fact that Samsung is giving up their own Exynos chip in favor of Snapdragon means Qualcomm's business will increase dramatically. So Qualcomm is returning the favor by giving Samsung a superior chipset, which is great news for Samsung users. The Galaxy S23 Ultra on Geekbench shows a 3.36 GHz speed, while Xiaomi's upcoming flagship phone is clocked at 3.19 GHz. Speaking of Geekbench, this listing is for Europe, and it basically confirms 100% that Europe is getting the Snapdragon variant of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Not just Europe, but every country will also get the Snapdragon chip this time instead of the inferior Exynos. The upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra leak protective glass hints that disappointing fingerprint sensor, cost-cutting measures by Samsung, and it reveals a potential disappointment for fans. There were some expectations that the Galaxy S23 Ultra would support Qualcomm's large 3D Sonic Max and display fingerprint sensor, but cost-cutting measures may have put paid to that. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.